Hey, what's up guys? So we have created a video a few months back regarding how to update GPU drives for Adreno 630. That time lots of people questioned that can I use these drivers for their GPU? The answer is actually that video is for specific Adreno GPU 630. But today in this video we are presenting almost all Adreno GPU drivers for series 600 and 500. Also, we have done small Geekbench performance test for checking whether updating GPU driver is gimmick or truth. So, you are watching for tech. Without wasting any time, let's get started. So, under the video description, we have given the link for download that includes drivers for the system on chip which you are watching on the screen. These socks include Adreno 600 and Adreno 500 GPU series drivers. You can flash Adreno 500 series drivers on the devices above Android 9 Plus and devices above 600 you must need Android 10 Plus. First you have to check your SOC. For that you need to download the application, namely Device Info Hardware from the Play Store. Open it. There you will see your SOC version. Here my SOC is Snapdragon 845. Under that you also get the GPU version, but it's not detailed information. For that you need another application called OpenGL extension app. When you open it, you will see OpenGL version. Here my OpenGL version is 408 dated 7th August 2019 and vulkan driver version is 1.1.87. So now go to the download link and open the folder as per Adreno GPU version. So I opened Adreno 600 folder as my GPU is 630. In this folder you will get another two folders. One is all-in-one driver folder which is recommended, includes the OpenGL and vulkan drivers. But if you want to flash OpenGL and vulkan drivers separately, there is another folder which includes separate drivers. While flashing drivers separately, you need to flash OpenGL first and then flash the vulkan drivers. But if your phone gets any issue, you can flash the OpenGL lite drivers with the vulkan drivers. So here I open all-in-one package. From there you need to find your SOC version folder. Here my SOC version is Snapdragon 845. Here from this folder only download the stable drivers. As you can see, some files have naming as testing only. Don't download and flash them as they are only for testing, not for daily use. So I opened version 464 folder. Here you will get the recovery flashable drivers file with the name R and MAGISK flashable file with the name M. As MAGISK flashable version is recommended here because you can easily flash and delete drivers from the MAGISK app. So I am using the MAGISK zip. Now go to the MAGISK application, then click on the modules tab, then click on the install from the storage and select your file using your file browser. File will get flashed. When it asks to reboot, then click on the reboot button. So now after the reboot, to check whether your driver changed or not, you need to open the OpenGL extension app. Here you will see my OpenGL version got changed to version 464 dated 13 March 2020 and the vulkan graphics version changed to 1.1.128. If you have any issue, you have to uninstall the MAGISK module from the MAGISK, and if you have flashed the recovery file, you have to flash the driver's remover zip or the cache cleaner zip from the add-on folder available in the download link. So I have done the Geekbench test to check the reliability of updating GPU drivers. In the Geekbench app, you have to select the compute tab and then select for which API you want to test. Select the vulkan or OpenGL. Here I have tested only for vulkan graphics and the result is 1941 when my device is on old version, that is 1.1.87. After updating drivers to the 1.1.128, I got result of 1973. So clearly updating drivers improves the device graphic performance, but results may vary as per your device temperature and other factors for you. So depending on benchmark is not so valid test. So I have tested the actual gaming performance by playing the PUBG. I have seen the performance boost, but it is very negligible. Playing PUBG is more responsive now and the graphics quality is also improved a lot. Later I will create a full benchmark and the gaming test using different drivers. Wait for that video. So that's it guys. If we help you, like this video, subscribe our channel, press bell icon for notification of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.